To transfer cryptocurrency from an Ethereum wallet to a Cash App, start by opening the Cash App and clicking on the home icon, which displays your balance. Next, select the Bitcoin option and scroll down to the Deposit Bitcoin option. Then tap on it. If prompted, verify your identity by providing personal details. Once verified, you will see your Bitcoin address, which you can copy by clicking the Copy button. Now, open your Ethereum wallet, such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. If it's not Bitcoin, you'll need to swap it for Bitcoin first, as the Cash App only supports Bitcoin. To do this, click the Swap button. Select your cryptocurrency, and then choose Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to convert and click the Swap button to convert your cryptocurrency to Bitcoin. After converting your cryptocurrency to Bitcoin, open the Bitcoin section of your wallet, where you'll see options to send, receive, buy, and more. Click the Send button. Then paste the Bitcoin address you copied from the Cash App and enter the amount you want to transfer. Click the Next button to complete the transfer from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App.